introducing the CNC Panel Simulator Universal Edition. This comes with two touch screens, one on the left and one on the right. So the machine that is being explained now is Haas. Now we are going to demonstrate how you can change the Haas simulator panel to a Fanuc simulator panel. Just takes 2 steps of unscrewing the screws, and close the software, and with a gentle push now the Haas simulator panel has been removed. Now this is your Fanuc simulator panel. So we are going to see the demonstration of how we are going to fix the panel. With a slight push, now with a slight push to upwards, the Fanuc simulator is firmly fixed. Now open the software. The panel is firmly fixed. Insert the screws. Now your Fanuc simulator panel is ready to use. In the software, open the simulation related to Fanuc. Now you can see that the Fanuc machine is ready to use. Now, we are going to see the process of how you can convert the Fanuc simulator into a Siemens panel simulator. Now turn off the software, remove the screws, with a gentle push downwards, now the Fanuc simulator panel is successfully removed. Now we are going to see the demonstration of how you can fix the Siemens simulator panel. Ensure the panel is firmly fixed. Now you have successfully inserted the Siemens control panel. Ensure you insert the screws properly. On the system, open the simulation that is linked to the Siemens control panel. Now open the simulation and you can see the Siemens simulator panel is ready to use. The CNC Control Panel Simulator Universal Edition comes with Siemens panel, the second Fanuc panel, and the third Haas panel.